So today I'm going to show you guys how to disable the auto high beam function. That's a function I cannot stand. It never works like it's supposed to. I did this on my Accord and I will never use it just because it looks like you're flashing people a lot because it's a delay when it turns off. So it's not in an infotainment system here. There's a sequence you have to do to get it to work. So you got to push this button once, push it again. Okay, you don't need to start the car up though. So what you do here, now this car came with it on from the factory, so I don't know if they all come on like that. They probably do. You're gonna pull this lever back. Let me see if I can set this up here. Okay, so you're gonna pull it back. Now look in the right-hand corner where the high beam icon is. You're gonna keep holding it, okay? And you're gonna see the A flash for the auto beam headlight. Takes about 30 seconds. Okay, see right there? So it kicked off. So now it's off. So now if you want to turn it back on, same thing. Now you're going to hold the stock back until you see it flash again, the A. Now you can't do this with the car on. I'm not sure you can do it if the car's on in park, but I know you can't do it while you're driving. I tried that before and it does not work. So you have to be stopped at least. I always do it with the engine off. Like I said, I haven't tried it with the engine on yet. If you look in the right-hand corner, it'll flash the A. And in this case, it'll be, so right there, see it flashing? So that's all you do. So you just go back and forth with it. So if it's on, you pull there 30 seconds. When you see it flash, and it disengages and vice versa. Like I said, I don't like the feature. So it's the first thing I did too was turn it off just because it's annoying when cars come up and you're high beaming them. And these lights are so bright anyway. So, okay. So I wanted to share that with you guys if you didn't already know. I think it's in the owner's manual, but it's a quick little tip how to do it. Okay, appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.